Michael Robertson here. One of the questions I just received is, what tips do you have for beginners? And again, I was a beginner about 7 years ago with land. And what I initially did was listen to all the podcasts and YouTube videos that I could. And then you can make a decision whether you want to accelerate your journey or continue to learn on your own. So YouTube and podcast are a great way to get started. And I did that probably for a couple of months. And then I made a decision that I needed a little bit of additional help. So I took a course and actually renewed it again the second year. So as you're going through the journey, if you decide to work with someone, the courses cost anywhere from approximately $1,000 up to $100,000. And my main suggestion would be to work with someone that's actually doing what you will be doing. Not necessarily a guru that just has thousands and thousands of students, but someone that would be accessible to you as well. So as you go through your journey, I would suggest explore many of the courses that are out there. See if you can talk to the people that are actually teaching them. Again, accessibility is a key component. So if you have any additional questions, just feel free to go ahead and post your questions below.